Hey guys, how are you? Andy, Sukhu, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions. So actually someone gave me a good recommendation for a tip. And actually this was a client that worked with us. We did their credit. We built their credit back. They got their first credit card from Chase. I believe it was a Chase Sapphire. They wanted that card. They hear me speak about it a lot. They love the reward point system that they have that comes with that card. They get a lot of cash back, hotel points, travel points. A really amazing card. And Chase is one of the good cards out there that give. There's a lot of other cards out there, prime cards, that has good perks. I just like the Chase Sapphire. Anyway, they actually gave me a good tip and on a topic they wanted me to talk about. And as we all know, it's no secret, we're going into a recession. We're not sure what's going to happen next month, the following month. We don't know where we're going to be at in 12 months at the end of the year, right? With this economy and what's going on, right? So rates are going up insanely fast. The goal is to keep debts low while we're going into a recession. We want to make sure we have low credit card debts, low debt and low expense, very, very low expense as much as we can, okay? Keep everything on the low. Well, when you have these credit cards, and if you're swiping it, because I did a video about debit cards and credit cards, using your credit card for everything, you're building up points, right? So as you're swiping the cards, you're getting the points. Now with the points, you can either convert it into pay your card back, you can convert it to miles, you can convert it to gift cards, right? So with us knowing that there's a recession coming along and our cash flow may be a little strenuous, right? Some of us may not have such a cash flow like we had last year or the year before, last month, yesterday, whatever, right? Cash flow is gonna be we're gonna be on reserves. So what you could do for the holidays, obviously, if you don't want to create credit card expense, and you may not be able to buy all your friends and family presents this year if you celebrate the holidays, you can actually convert those points that you gained on your credit cards into gift card and give them out to people. So let's hypothetically state that maybe you have 5 kids that you want to give a present to, but you don't know what to get them, but you don't want to spend more than $100. Let's say you have 40,000 points on your Chase credit card or whichever prime credit card you have that you build points with. You could just request those points to be converted into gift cards. So let's say you have 40,000 points, you get 6 gift cards for $100 each. And you can just give those gift cards out as presents for the holiday. Or you can use it to pay your cards back if you have enough points to make a monthly payment on your card. Whichever way you slice and dice it, however you decide to do it, it's a good way to use those points and avoid creating unnecessary debts because of the recession that's coming up and the holiday season, all right? If you have any questions about that, if you like this video, share it, appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. A lot of great content on there. Okay, guys? Talk to you soon.